Motorcycle riders are tragically overrepresented in crashes. In 2023, U.S. motorcyclists accounted for 6,335 deaths, about 15% of all traffic fatalities, the highest toll in decades. We all know riding is thrilling, but even experienced riders can slip up. All too often, basic safety rules end up on the cutting room floor. A quick shortcut or a bit of bravado can turn a fun ride into a life-changing crash. Here, we'll expose 5 critical safety rules. Riders frequently ignore and explain why ignoring each one is so dangerous. These insights are backed by crash data and expert research. So take them to heart. Rule number 1, gear up. When you're on 2 wheels, your body is the machine. That's why the first line of defense is always protective gear. A DOT-approved full-face helmet alone cuts a rider's fatality risk by about 37% and head injuries by 70%. Covering your limbs matters too. A study found riders wearing armored jackets, pants, and gloves were far less likely to need hospitalization after a crash. In plain terms, proper gear dramatically reduces injuries. Yet on hot summer days or short rides, many riders skip jackets or gloves. They tell themselves, it's only around the block, or I don't want to look like a noob. Unfortunately, wind can throw debris in your face, and a spill at even 30 miles per hour can shred skin and bones. As the NHTSA warns, if you're ever in a serious motorcycle crash, the best hope you have for protecting your brain is a motorcycle helmet. Cover your arms and legs in leather or heavy denim, and wear bright reflective clothing to help drivers see you. Never underestimate the difference good gear makes when it's too late to suit up after you crash. Number 2, ride sober and stay sharply. Alert! Maybe you had a couple of beers at dinner and think you're okay, or took a prescription drug that doesn't affect me. The reality is that impairment shatters a rider's judgment and reaction time. Official data are stark. In one large crash study, 44% of fatal motorcycle wrecks involved an alcohol or drug-impaired rider. Nationally, about 28% of riders killed had a blood alcohol over 0.08. In other words, nearly 1/3 of deadly crashes are tied to intoxication. The U.S. safety authorities put it bluntly, they urge motorcyclists to always ride sober. Any impairment can turn a near miss into a crash when split-second choices are needed. Don't let a quick drink turn you into a crash statistic. Number 3, control your speed and cornering. Every rider loves the rush of speed, but speed is a deceptive danger. The Texas AANDM crash analysis found that speeding was a factor in 30% of fatal motorcycle crashes, nearly 1/3. Especially on curves and gravelly roads, carrying extra speed can easily throw you offline. Experienced riders sometimes think, I've taken this corner flat out before, but road conditions change and machines can slip. Even with top skills, physics will win if you're going too fast. The rule is simple, obey limits and slow down well before a turn. Enter corners at a safe speed so you can react to anything that's the rule many ignore. Overconfidence in speed can cost you control, sending the bike into a slide or straight into an obstacle. Respect the posted limits and remember that in a crash, momentum is deadly. Number 4, be visible and ride defensively. Riders often feel invisible to other drivers, and data prove them right. One multi-year study of intersection crashes found that in 25% of collisions involving multiple vehicles, a car had failed to yield while turning left in front of a motorcycle. In everyday language, about 1 in 4 bike/car crashes was caused by a car turning across a rider's path. Too many riders assume a driver sees them or has a green light, only to be cut off at an intersection. The safety rule here is to never assume right of way. Always scan the intersection, cover your brakes, and be prepared to swerve. Experts also note a surprising trick. Drivers are actually more likely to turn in front of a motorcycle if the bike is riding on the left side of the lane. Too many riders ride in cars' blind spots or zoom between lanes. That's a fast path to disaster. Remember the simple safety mantra: make yourself visible and assume others won't see you. Number 5, stay legal, trained, and prepared. This rule spans a few habits, all of which get ignored more than they should. First, get and keep your license and training up to date. Shockingly, recent US data show that 34% of motorcyclists in fatal crashes had no valid motorcycle license. In other words, 1/3 of dead riders had skipped the licensing exam or let their endorsement lapse. Motorcycle licensing exams exist because riding a bike safely really is a different skill set than driving a car. Skipping formal training might save a few dollars now, but it costs lives later. Second, do a simple pre-ride inspection every time. Check tire pressure and tread, make sure your brakes work, confirm that your lights and signals are on, and top up fluids if needed. A flat tire at speed or a seized brake can cause a crash no rider can justify skipping a check for. Carrying a passenger or cargo, secure the load and remind your passenger to hold on. These quick checks are a few minutes that can save your life. I'm curious, which safety rule have you ignored in the past? Or, after hearing this, what will you change in your own riding habits? Drop a comment below and share your story. If this video helped you, please hit like and subscribe for more advanced riding insights. Stay safe out there. Your life depends on it.